welcome to ColdBlue Collectables. Today we're going to have a little crack at the Premier League Chrome, but we're also going to put that aside just for now. We're going to have a little look into my little PC. Now, I love to protect my stuff, and another storage solution is this is a Primal waterproof case. Got this from BCF, I think, for around 60 bucks. What we're going to do is we're just going to flip it, and once again, moisture issues throughout the country. Do a little opening. Yes, I know. Why has he got it stickered? Because since basically I like to put this on its side, not really have to worry about whether or not the cards are slipping, so I just put a little tab on the top, but just a little gander, like, I've got a bit of Zion going there, Ben Simmons rookie, no, Emmett Smith, one of my favourites of all time, we've got a Michael Carter numbered 50. But I am hunting down the 2021, sorry, 2021 Fireworks EPL. I think I'm about 3 short of the set. Really nice looking card. Bit of mince on. Good player. Anyway, oh no, I slipped. Try and keep it all numbered. Problem is with the stickers, sometimes they come off. But yeah, for 60 bucks, maybe a little over 60. These are like camera cases. And basically, yeah, it was just the fact that when you put it down, it can squash, and then I can leave it on its side or put it on the floor. It doesn't make a difference. It's all waterproof and stuff like that. And that's the top-loaded one. Next episode, I've got another one of these. I'll give you another storage idea for my one-touches. So I'll just pop that out of the way for a second. And then we'll get down to the business end of things. Premier League Topps Chrome 18-19. Now, what we'll do, have a little pause, have a little read, got little fractors, 1 in every 3, purples are 1 in 14, blues are autographs, 1 in 1,271. Wow, autograph superfractor. 1 in 62 trillion. Yep, not my luck. Alright, let's get started. Oh, they've come out a little bit greasy, super shiny. Marcus Alonso, oh, and they're sticky as well. Oh no, well, we got a green. Just bear with it. Sean Morrison, Cardiff, yeah, so this will be the current Premier League squad of that year. And we might just sneak to the back one. Yeah, Leo Bonatini for Wolves. What we got here in the green? So from here, Watford. Now, it's not going to be Foster. Big fan of Foster. Former United player, followed him for a very long time, part of my PC. Don't think that's going to be him. No. Gerard Delafeu. I wonder if that's numbered. Yes, it is. Nice. $72.99. Very nice product. I really wish I could get more. Probably in future episodes I might. But we'll leave him quickly. But please make sure you like and subscribe. Always make sure you comment as well, because I'm very flexible. I like to get new ideas. Oh, the trusty Select is getting a bit sticky because this has been sitting around since 2018. Now the goal for the next few episodes is to fill these bad boys. Now they're only 35 points. So we're going to try in the next few episodes to get a card worthy to go into these. So once again, please like and subscribe, and make sure you comment down below, and until next time, enjoy.